How to comment photo in TikTok. So if you want to comment a photo in TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, you just need to simply go with the comment section. So tap on comments. Now once you're under your comments, you just need to simply tap on add comment. Once you tap on add comment, here on the left side, you will have a camera shaped icon or just the album shaped icon. So you just need to simply tap on it. And after that, you will be able to comment photo in TikTok. But in many regions, the option is not available yet. So if it is not available in your region, then you just need to simply wait for a few weeks and you may get an update in TikTok. And once you've updated your TikTok application, then you may get the feature. So to update it, you can simply go with your Play Store or your App Store, and then you can update the application or just restart your device. And after restarting and after updating, you will have the comment feature on your TikTok, and then you can post your photo comments. So that's how you can comment photo in your TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.